Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we got quite a few packages to unbox. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Let me get these out the way. First up. All right, where am I gonna put these? Start off with the biggest package here. And as you can see, this is from Adidas. Love a pull tab. I don't know why they send such a ginormous box. And as you can tell, a Yeezy. I have to chuck all of this rubbish out the way. The review on these should already be up by the time this one goes live. So you've already probably seen this pair. Yes, of course, what is the ginormous Yeezy 500 box? It is the Yeezy 500 High Tyrian. I have heard a lot of people really liking this pair, and for sure the color is a lot nicer than I thought originally, or maybe it's just growing on me. But the contrasting colors are for sure a really good thing in my opinion. I really hope that we see some more contrasting colors on Yeezy. This really nice dark chocolate brown. So yeah, this released, when did this release? On the 16th, so not too far back. I really like this colorway. I do think this is definitely a better colorway than the Slate. Whether you agree or not, that is down to you. Next package, what should we go for? Package number 2. So this one is from Size. Which one is this? Okay, it's a Nike box. Got a little bit of a better idea. Size, thank you for adding some paper in the box so that the box doesn't get completely destroyed. I always appreciate that, and I always appreciate a pull tab on a box. Get out of here. Oh, I do know what this is. Okay. There we go. So yes, this is the Korea Prestos. Wild colorway. This really reminds me of the Acronym Prestos that released, and there was that pink color and there was that black and white print as well. This really reminds me of that. If you're a fan of Prestos, I have a feeling you're really gonna like this colorway. It does have a really cool story behind it. We'll save that for the review. I am gonna do a review on this. And as you can see, you get 2 different colors on the outsole. So there is a recurring theme, obviously, the kind of red color that you see on the lateral side, and then this light blue color that you see on the medial side. The sizing on these was a little bit weird. Basically, they did them in like small, medium, large, extra large. So as you can see, this one, I got the medium. So yeah, we'll see if this fits me or not. I am gonna be doing a review on this pair because I do think it is a really interesting sneaker. Has a cool story. It's a super nice colorway. UK 8 to 10. So a medium is quite broad in terms of how many sizes it gets. So sizing might be an issue on this, but I'll try them on in the review. I'll make sure I get a full review out there. If you are interested, keep a lookout on the channel. Make sure you're subscribed. But this is the first look, the Korea Presto. So this is a package from Nike. Yet again, another pull tab. This is the strange one. Air Force One. So nice clean white Air Force box. This is the Air Force One React. There we go. So Air Force One React. Now the thing is, the Air Force One React has been around for a while. And if I'm not mistaken, it's not massively hyped. I know a few people who really do like the model, including myself. I think the whole React thing, how they did the React, how they implemented the React in this sneaker is very interesting. They didn't completely change the Air Force One midsole. What they did was they added a, which I'll just show you. So instead of changing up the midsole of the OG Air Force One, which I don't think you really want to mess around with too much, what they did was they just made this really thick, ginormous insole, which is React. And of course you have that air unit on the heel portion. So on the outside, it is a regular Air Force One, and it sticks to a lot of the original design. However, on the inside, you are staying nice and comfy. But yeah, it is a little bit strange because this is so thin. Like you can see my hand inside of it. If you can, I don't know. Can you see my hand? So specifically this colorway is the one that sold out really quickly. And I get it, it's a really nice color. I've never seen an Air Force One React sell out. Maybe the stock was super limited, I'm not too sure. But yeah, this one sold out. I don't know if I'm gonna do a review on this. If you wanna see me do a review on this sneaker, let me know down in the comment section. But otherwise, this is your look. Super clean colorway, icy blue bottom, and a clean white color on the top. This one you are going to like. Take a guess, what you think this one is? What just recently released? Oh yeah. This is the recently released Airmax 90 duck camo. And this is the Volt duck camo, obviously. Really Volt green. In my opinion, I actually prefer this color. The camo is really nice, but yeah, first impression, this is super nice. So we are getting a bunch of summer sneakers. Odd one out is this Tyrian over here. Definitely full review going to be coming up on the channel for this pair. I'm excited to review these. I think they look sick. So again, if you want to see this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That is pretty much my my full unboxing. Oh wait, there's one more actually. I forgot. There's one more. So I'm pretty sure this is just a double up pair. Cool, all right, yeah, so the last one we're going to be unboxing is a double up, of course, of this Korea one. You know how it is when you enter a bunch of raffles, you win two by accident. Of course, that's what happened to me. With this pair, I really would have liked to get two different sizes because I'm not sure which one's gonna fit me because the sizing is so weird on these. We almost hit 1,000 subs, so if you want to sub to the channel, that would be highly appreciated because I do like the sound of that 1K. Sounds pretty good. I am working on a Q&A video. It was actually meant to be in this one. However, I completely forgot to announce it. So no Q&A for this one, but Q&A coming soon. So what you need to do is just basically ask me as many questions as possible. As the channel grows, more people want to get to know me. No idea why, but they do. So ask me anything from sneaker related, personal related, whatever you want. So yeah, make sure you drop down your questions in the comment section. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking the video, and thank you for asking your questions, because don't forget to do that. So, which one should we go with? I will see you in the next video, and until then,